Hi there, it's Sandy Lou. How are you? Guess what? I am at my friend Debbie's house, and this is where I usually do the cleaning, and I'm going to do it again today. And do you know why? Because this one belongs to Debbie's daughter, and it is a Shark Vertex Pro, and I've been wanting to try this, so that's what I'm going to do. It is heavier than mine, and has good control, so let's see what happens. It glides really, really well on the hardwood floors. What I really wanted to test it on is rug. Now, Deb's rug is pristine. It's just like as clean as can be. So remember those old timers that would come at your door and do, they want to demo a vacuum cleaner? They would put dirt on that. Guess what I've got? I have flour. Yes, I went into the kitchen and I said, "Where's the flour?" She looked at me like, here it is. So, all right, let's sprinkle that flour. Now, this is a very, very red rug. So here we go. Look at that flour. Heck, wants to put on a little more, right? This is the test. And if it doesn't work, I think I'll be taking the rug outside to beat it. So, all right, let's see what happens. So the Shark has different levels. They have a setting for hardwoods and a setting for rugs. Now, I did go on there and pick it up, but you know what? I see a little bit of a white shadow, and I wasn't using the rug setting. So let's turn that on. Okay, so that is the normal setting. That is the rug setting. I'll have to ask the homeowner, is that good enough, Deb, or not? Do you think it all came out?
I did, yeah.
It did all come out.
Yeah. It looks great.
My cordless at home would not have picked up stuff on the rug. So this is a little pricey, but you want to know something? There's nothing like a cordless. It has the canister that you dump out, so there's no bags. And I think it's worth it. Especially because it's cordless. You can go anywhere with it. Thank you for joining me, and I'm gonna go see if Debbie needs anything else vacuumed up while I've got this out. You take care. Bye-bye.